everyone, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. I was taking some pictures for the website, which is going to be getting a little bit of a makeover soon, or maybe it's already up. I don't really know. We will see. I'm waiting on a couple of emails. But let's go ahead and get into this week's new releases, and we are going to do it like we always do and start at the top. So first things first is we do have some new mini icons, and if you saw in the, I think it was the butterfly bundle, you kind of got a sneak of what those are going to look like. So these are brand new icons, and they are so stinking cute. All previous icons will still be available. This is just additional cuties and new ones. And these ones will come in gold, silver, rose, hollow, sparkly, hollow, champagne lights, lavender hollow, and matte bronze. So let me go ahead and show you the icons in the silver because it's the easiest to see. So that is what they look like. There's like a Target symbol, a phone, you have like a ring, an airplane, a piggy bank, a chef's hat, moon, chess piece, laundry basket, switch, a glass of water or juice, a pan, clinking glasses, a tooth, a sneaker, movie clapper, pencil, lots and lots of different things on here. And I have been dying to get these in my hands and use them because they are going to be perfect for so many different things. I also wanted to show you the current freebies that are going out with orders. You can't pick your freebie, but you'll get a random friend freebie. I think this is gonna be the last round of this style freebie for now. I think I'm gonna switch back for a while for all order freebies to being foiled, and then I'm going to kind of change up the $75 plus to have some friends on it, I think, and then maybe soon also change up the, was it $300 freebie to be some scribblers, and I think that'd be super cute. So there's things in the works. So let's go into the color of the week. This week is this gorgeous purple. I wonder if this will actually match the purple in the, ooh, I think it'll look really good with the Trolls kit. And then I was thinking maybe this kit as well I could use the purple with. But this is the color of the week for this week. The color of the week is available from Wednesday at new release time until Sunday evening. So the first thing here is the doodles, and you have the normal 12 sheets. This is color number, color number 67. And I can't believe we've done 67 colors of the week already. It feels like it's been a long time because it's been a long time. And there is a buy all bundle for the doodles, or you could buy them a la carte. And then we have recently added the scribblers as well. And this is the scribbler 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and also scribbler 6. I'm just making sure this is the right number that I'm releasing because for some reason I am having second guesses about it, but I'm pretty sure that that's what we're on, 67. Yes, perfect. So those are the colors of the week, and y'all have been really enjoying the addition of the scribblers. Then there is also a new just regular scribbler going to the lineup, and this is number 34, and it comes in all 6 options. This is the eye roll. This was initially made for the Hannah freebie, which is so cute, and she uses like 7 of these a week, and they are very, very handy. Then we also have characters, which you have the Mickey and Minnie. I already used one of these in a spread that is coming up soon. This is 65 and 66. Then I'm also just going to be adding this in. These have already been released in other foil colors, but I am going to be adding stripe. It's like a really thin stripe in black. Very, very minimal, great for layering, and this one's gonna be great, I think, for like Halloween time or just any like no foil spread because it is black. So again, we have the stripe. I'm gonna be adding that. I'll put it, if I remember, I'll put it in the new releases, so there'll be the other colors that it's already in, and then including stripe. Then we have a new foil bundle for this week. I actually went and was like, I need to release this now because I need it now, and I'm using this with the D&D kit. And this is gonna match so many kits. This is the gold hollow and the confetti version 2. So like the one that all the confettis have been released in. It's just a gold hollow, which is a perfect staple to have on hand. And I already have a couple of kits that I plan to use it with, and it's gonna just be beautiful. And it'll also go great with that gold hollow lavender hollow if you wanted to break that up a bit with some gold hollow. Now let's get into the kits. I have 3 exclusive arts, one of them being a reformat. So I don't know if this video went up already or if it's going to be a video coming up this week, but I did use the Candyland kit for Avery's birthday. It turned out so beautiful. Probably one of my top spreads of the year. I know it already. And I was going to link it in the description and I was like, oh my gosh, it is sold out. So I must restock it. So I went ahead and reformatted it, which is like, if I would have known, I would have used the reformatted version, but I used the old format, just as good, just as beautiful. But this is the reformat. I did change up the bottom washi. I think it looks so beautiful. And you have the freebie and the mini and the ultimate. And this is exclusive art, so you will not find it anywhere else, along with the rest of the kits this week. We've been on an exclusive art kick recently, I feel like. And I am not mad about it. So you have your ultimate kit, you have a mini, and then there is also add-on options. So there is the label, if you want to add that on, as well as label 2 and label 3. Then there is fashion, which I did all fun colored hair. I thought that that would be cute. And then there's the doodle, which I did similar to the Mario one from last week, where I just did an ombre of the rainbow, because I think that's fun with rainbow kits, functional and ombre. And that is the Candyland set. So very excited about this. I'm probably going to keep this and use it because I can see myself reusing this kit maybe like in a year or two, but it's just so gorgeous laid down. Then we do have Jurassic Park. I told you there's going to be enough if you want to join me on Pop Culture Summer, because I am pretty sure that's what I'm doing this year. This is Jurassic Park. I am obsessed. If y'all know, I love Jurassic Park. I love dinosaurs. I'm a big fan. So needed to do a new and updated Jurassic Park kit, and I actually went ahead and purchased some things for this. There's actually some things for 2 of these kits from Hannah Shop, so I wanted to show you what I got. And I have a code with Hannah, and I'll link her down below. But I have so many things in here that I'm like, a kit's coming for that, a kit's coming for that. So I did, and I picked it up before I even saw the print on it. Oh my gosh, there's so many. There's one here that hasn't, nope, 2 here that haven't come out yet. So 4 total things that I've purchased that are for kids that haven't come out yet. So excited. So I did purchase this. I'll show you this. I'll show you. Let's just flip through the kit. That's what you really want to see here. Hold on. I'll just wait a second. Please hold. I love this scene. Oh, this just reminds me of my childhood. So stinking good. Love that. And then the freebie and the ultimate and mini is 2 more character boxes. So that is the ultimate kit of Jurassic Park. And like I said, I am using this summer. For some reason, Jurassic Park always just gives me July vibes. So I think that's what's going to happen. So that is the ultimate kit. This is the mini kit. And then let me show you the foil real quick and what I thought. So I'm probably going to use a matte silver, matte bronze mixed metal from my shop, and then pull in the Dino 1 underlays from Hannah, as well as Dino 1 and Dino 2 overlays in the matte bronze and matte silver. And then I also got this, and I'm like 50-50, but I kind of think it's gonna work. I think it's gonna work. So I'm thinking about using the whatever 15mm confetti and then using one of these with it and then pulling these in over top. So I like the idea of the matte bronze, matte silver, but I'm thinking that the red would be really cool on this, the burgundy. And this is Dino overlays and Dino bottom washi covers. So yeah, let me know what you think. This is burgundy. What do you think? But also maybe I'll just use this in silver. Maybe I'll just use this and leave these out and save them for later. I don't really know. I'm calling that a game day decision. Let me show you the add-ons. So you have label 2, and then there's also Dino 1 and Dino 2. You could really extend this kit. And then there's Doodle, Functional, and Ombre. And that is Jurassic Park. Again, exclusive art. And then last, but certainly not least, I have gotten requests for this year after year after year, and I feel like since I've been doing more pop culture kits, have been flooded. There's one other one that the requests have been flooding, and I'm gonna finish it this weekend so I can release it because it's been one of the most requested kits ever. So this is Parent Trap, and come on. And also, doesn't this scream pop culture summer? This one's giving me June vibes though for some reason. And I love Parent Trap, and I just love this kit. It just encompasses all of the things that I love about Parent Trap. And I love the colors. And then you have your extra boxes here with more characters. I love the patterns. Everything's just so cute. And then the freebie in the Ultimate Mini is like the furniture on top of the cabin. So stinking cute. It's annoying. I am obsessed. Like, I feel like I love all the pop culture kits that have come out, but like they're like some of the ones that are like coming, y'all, buckle up. So you have the label 2, you have extra boxes. I love the isolation cabin, doodle, functional, and ombre. So that, my friends, oh, just kidding. And then I want to show you, there is the Annie and Hallie, which has all of the quotes from Hannah. If you want to pick them up, Plan a Hannah, I'll link her down below. But I think I'm going to use silver with this. I think other options, if you want other foil options, this one I think would still look really good with matte silver or matte bronze. Obviously not dinos unless that's something that you want to do. So I think those would be really pretty with this, but also silver, gold. You could do, those would be my top picks. Or you could do like a copper, gold hollow, burgundy, navy, along the lines of those. And then this one, I feel like they're almost like, they're similar in colors, but this one I think it does really give me more of like I have a foil that's coming out that actually would look really cool with this, so I have to maybe like pull that one out too. And this would look good with copper, silver, gold, gold hollow, burgundy, the matte bronze, matte silver. Those are probably my top picks for this one, but I also, like I said, I have a foil coming out soon that's really, really good that I think would go nice with this. And then this one is like there's no wrong option. So you could do silver, you could do the silver and sparkly hollow. You could do hollow, sparkly hollow, those mixed. You could do lavender hollow, gold hollow, which is what I did. You could just do regular gold hollow, regular lavender hollow. You could do lilac, you could do ice, you could do a light green. There's lots and lots of options for this one as well. So that is everything for this week. I hope y'all liked this week's new releases. Oh, I did want to show you how these fit. These are little thing size like the other ones were, but I just wanted to show you how they fit, and I thought that the rose would be pretty on this color. So just wanted to quickly show you those as well. But otherwise, that's everything. I hope you liked this video, and I will talk to y'all in my next one.